It was set up under the Ministry of ICT in collaboration with Ministry of Education and Ministry of Finance to make sure the whole country leverages on the benefits of immersive technologies. So should technology run to past AVR, still the immersion center will be here. We are good to go.
We've been able to train 18 trainers of trainers, including youth collaborators. So among these, we've been able to equip them with the skills in virtual reality, where they're immersed and they're able to get the core working skills for decent work. We've taught them core working skills. How can they work with the community? How can they enhance their communication skills? Empathy, how do they use virtual reality to show empathy with their colleagues? How can they use virtual reality to improve on their creativity and innovation? So some of the skills that they've had today will enable them to improve their innovation and creativity out there, and then they can transfer that knowledge. So they've gained so many skills that they can use to innovate, create, and create jobs for the others and be employers of themselves.
We have had several training sessions whereby we would interact with a couple of people, and this was basically disorganized. I would say I had no SOPs, I had no standard procedures that I would follow. But during this training, we sort of like got an idea or insight into how to conduct SOPs or to train people on how to use virtual reality headsets in an orderly way through a standard procedure, which was open source. We didn't know about that, but it was great because many people do need these SOPs to avoid invasion of spaces, also maybe some ethical mishaps that may occur. So we got equipped with some SOPs or standard guidelines on how to actually walk people through in a virtual space, and that was really amazing.
Under this AVR project, we have been able to have a Workverse training for the trainer of trainers, whereby we have provided technical support on how to handle the headsets, the organization, and preparation for the workshop. And in this training, I've been able to understand the gaps that most of us leave out when we go out to the fields to indulge people in these trainings. For example, we have to look at consent, the safety precautions, and how to handle the headsets. So in this, we have been able to gather different feedback from the various technical support teams on how best they go through when they're in the communities or out there spreading that word AVR.
I'm really excited to have experienced this virtual reality workshop. There's so many key points that we got to learn, we got to understand as a group. Number one was we got to realize that virtual reality can be used in so many soft skills, and so many applications can be seen in the workforce, from communication skills to interview skills to speaking to large groups of people. So basically the experience was something that was very educating to the young youth, but also looking at the future and how we can leverage immersive technology like virtual reality in our workforce, and how we can skill people with the necessary skills to be ready for the work environment, and how to also behave in the work environment with all these necessary skills. So thank you so much, International Labour Organization. It has been a pleasure learning, and we hope to see more of these experiences.
Yeah.